In this video, I'll show you how to run an event end to end. Put the page up, sell tickets in 2 tiers, and then stand on the door with your phone and scan people in. And every person who books lands in your contacts, tagged, so the event does not end when the event ends. It's events in the left menu. Bloom & Wellness has one running, a sunset yoga and sound bath published with its own web address. New event starts a fresh one, and everything you are about to see is on one screen. Open it. Down the left is what the public sees. A summary line, a description, a cover image, and a refund policy, which is worth writing once so nobody has to ask you what happens if it rains. Then this, which is the panel most ticketing tools do not have. Attendee-only details. Doors open at 7:30, come in the side entrance, parking is round the back. Nobody sees this until they have a ticket, and then it is right there on their ticket page, instead of buried in an email they will not find on the night. Location and time. In person with a venue and an address, or online with a link. And the time zone is set here, so people booking from somewhere else see their own local time and turn up at the right hour. Now tickets, and this is where the money is made. You are not limited to one price. Bloom sells general admission at $25 with 40 of them, and a VIP front row with a tea ceremony at $45 with only 12. That second tier is the one worth stealing. Same event, same room, a handful of seats at nearly double, and it sells out first because scarcity is real rather than invented. Here is who is coming. Every registration, whether they booked online or you added them by hand, with the quantity, the status, and a check-in code against each one. 4 of these have already been scanned in, and 1 is on the wait list because VIP is nearly gone. Add attendee is for the ones who did not come through the page. The person who paid you cash at the last class. The friend of a friend who rang you. They still need a ticket and a code, so put them in here. Name. Email, which is where their ticket goes. You pick which tier they are on, how many they are bringing, and what they already paid you elsewhere, so your revenue number stays honest. I'm turning off the ticket email for this demonstration. On your account, you leave that ticked, and they get their ticket and their check-in code the second you add them. Add them. And they are on the list with everybody else, with their own code and a contact record in your account that did not exist a moment ago. Which brings me to the single most valuable box on this page, the contact tag. Everybody who registers gets this tag on their contact record automatically. So the day after the event, you have a list of exactly who came, ready to email about the next one, or to drop into an automation that thanks them and asks for a review. That is the difference between running an event and building an audience. Up here is the link you share. Public means it is listed and search engines can find it. Unlisted means only people with the link get in, which is how you run a members-only night without hiding it behind a password. This is the page they land on. Your cover, your description, the date and the venue, your speakers and your schedule if you added them, and the tickets down the side with what is left of each tier. They pick a tier, pay, and their ticket and check-in code arrive by email. Then on the night, this is the part people do not expect to be this easy. Open the event on your phone. There is a check-in screen that turns your camera into a scanner. Point it at the code on somebody's phone, and they are marked in right here in this list in front of you. No printed sheet, no pen, no arguing about whether somebody already came through. And if their phone is dead, you can find them by name and check them in by hand. And when it is all over, this is what you are left with. Not a ticket stub in a shoebox. A tag list of every single person who came in your contacts, ready for the next one. Go and put your first event up, and I'll see you in the next one.